Molly girl has her own YouTube channel. Molly, you want to plug your channel? No, he said he wants you to show the receipt.
He said come straight to the back.
Oh, so you don't have to show the receipt.
The receipt is in the toilet.
He walked into the toilet and he walked straight out and he's like, yep, you definitely bombed that one.
Lion King that works with Mustafa.
He's an Australian actor. He has bald hair.
Australian actor, bald head. It is Big Stock or Simon Bell Island.
I'm gonna pick the comment of the day. The comment of the day. Shoot.
Okay, look at my hair, look at my hair, look at my hair. Where's my little spoolie? So I haven't done my hair yet, but I was thinking of going to my mum's to get her to braid it in two. Because you can just never be too old to get your mum to do your hair. I'm definitely still not too old for that. I've been really taking care of my lashes. The only thing that I don't like about it is like when you wash your face when you're brushing your teeth, like I'm so used to just splashing water all over, getting all those SOMs out, sleep. It's called sleep, getting the sleep out. And I just can't do that. You can't do that with lashes. You just can't do it. You have to be so careful. I have to get like a flannel, wash it, like wet it, and then gently, And I just don't feel like I've washed my face if I do it like that. But anyways, the sacrifices we have to go through. So yeah, I'm gonna go and get my mum. Aussie's still at work. And in Fish, while we're in Fish Week, I'm gonna see if I can go to a water filter store to see if I can find a part for mine. Because I'm so looking forward to drinking some filtered yummy water. Mom, can you do my hair?
You can't do it.
Did you say you're busy? So busy?
I'm busy.
Okay. Eben? Can you plait my hair, please?
Yeah, but I'm gonna eat this last bag.
So Mom's getting a new dining table. See, Molly wants to braid her hair. Mom says she's busy. I said you can never be too old to get your mum to do your hair, but you have to get them to agree because she's busy.
Mom.
Ooh, Donati. So, don't be so rude and braid your daughter's hair. Oh, yeah. There's your answer, Moles. So we're here at the clearance house. The clearance house.
You want couches or you want furniture?
So just here with my two sisters. My other sister's at home with her baby and her son and her man. Oh, they moved. This house. They were at the other. Mom's looking for a dining table.
No, these chairs are good. One with these colours.
I don't reckon.
Yeah.
I don't reckon.
Because if we get stick legs, they'll break.
So, yeah, because you're big ass. I just love furniture shopping, but it's so pricey, hey. You need like $1 million. Love a good buffet. I don't have one at my house. This one is perfect. Just doesn't match my stuff. This one does. Oh my gosh. This one matches my bedroom. But this is a buffet, so it's not drawers and stuff. But that one's nice, Molly. Whoa, this is nice as.
Fabric?
This is so nice.
Yeah,
even the seats are so comfy.
Unless you lock down that wall. If you knock down that wall, it'll fit.
Oh, well, why would you want to knock down the wall? That's a lot of work just for a dining table. Whoa, how much is it? $1.50.
Wow.
You guys like this one?
When you work out the price.
Oh, Mum, this one's nice. No way this is 200. Oh, I think it's Oh wow, this one's really nice. Mum, what about this one? What?
You seem to have to knock down walls.
Anyone does, I guess. Look at these chairs, are nice. We could just pick the chairs for this. This one's nice, hey Mum? We've never had a circle table before. Look at my hair.
Okay.
No, I don't think you.
Eben, take your dinosaur off the table.
It's not heavy.
No, you're going to scratch it. So we're just waiting in the car because the tables in there are too big. Too big for the dining place. So this is Molly Girl. Molly Girl has her own YouTube channel. Molly, you want to plug your channel?
Hi guys, you guys can go subscribe to my channel at Molly Girl with 2 L's 07. Go subscribe, click the bell, and shout out to all of you that are already subscribed. I'm so grateful for you guys. And look out for another banger.
Here we are, here we are. We're at the same brand. Same branch kind of thing, but a different branch.
Is this the small table you saw back there?
No, kind of. Oh, these ones are, this is nice. Oh, this couch is so nice. So puffy. Oh yeah, baby. This is so comfy. So comfy. Oh. Oh my gosh, they are. They swivel. They what?
One's left.
Ah, okay.
But, yeah, those ones and the brown ones over there, the brown leather ones.
Oh, okay.
They're actually a rocker. So people says that when they sit in these two, they spend more time at the dinner table.
Yeah. Sao số ý là cái mà luôn, câu vay cũng như lâu sao số ý cái lòng hòm mấy. Này đồ để phải đọc cô. I'm joking. I know, he's just doing his job. Yeah, I'm gonna get this one.
That's him.
I wanted a tall boy today. Well, you can get it too, Mum. I think he has another one. 350. See, if we get two, how much?
Yeah.
Oh, this couch is nice. Look at this big. Oh, yeah.
That one is the last one.
Oh. Well, does Mum want it? Because she can have it if she wants it. If you want it, you can have it.
Have a rumble and a fight.
Mum, you take this one. Welcome to Fantastic. Oh, this mirror though. It's only $139. I want it. Nothing. I want this mirror.
That's my girl. You know you're looking so cute.
Oh my gosh, this mirror is so nice. It's like, yeah, it's so nice to me. Look, it makes me look so slim. I really want this mirror. It's so nice. Look.
This is the kind of probably you need at the back.
This is nice. What kind of... Yeah, but I want the tall boy first. Come upstairs and look at the tall boys. It's like this. Oh, they've got it on sale. Kingston range. This is the same as my bed.
Oh, really?
Yeah. And they got the good side ones too. $6.19.
Oh.
So this is my bed.
30.
Wow, look at these bedside tables. Yeah.
Oh, don't you have them?
No, I don't have them.
It's soft.
Molly, that's it.
What?
Look at the mirror and the...
Have you got that?
No, this is the one that I was going to get. 700.
Oh.
But the drawers are so small, eh?
The whole thing is gone in the big wood.
Oh, they're very deep though. Should I get this one with the mirror? Should have just got the package. Look.
Why didn't you?
I didn't have that much at the time.
How much is the package?
118.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, 19.
For everything?
Yeah. Get the bed, you get a tall boy, you get 2 bedside tables. So for the package deal, we bought the bed here last year. You guys remember if you watched us that long ago. And for the tall boy, the bed, and the 2 things. And so Molly's trying to see if we can get a deal, but there is a deal here. For these 3, it's 1,000. Yeah, it's pretty deep, but yours is much bigger. I just like it because it's the same style as my bed. Molly's such a hustler. This girl is such a hustler. She will hustle you hard. Let me get your opinion. Should I get this tall boy or that one?
That's not a tall boy.
that drawer thing.
It's a dressing table.
Well, you know what I mean.
What?
Should I get this one
Yeah.
or this one?
They're the same.
They're not the same. Do you see the height? They're different.
Yeah, but the same kind.
Yeah, because look.
Your question should be, should I get a tall boy or should I get a dressing table?
No, stop thinking about my question. Just tell me which one you like better. I've got this bed, but I want to know, should I get this one or this one?
What do you need most? Do you have a mirror? You gotta get it on a needs basis.
Vicky, how much did you pay for that? She said she's gonna go and try and see if she can get the same deal package so that you can get everything because you already bought the bed from her.
Yeah, but how much will that be? So the verdict is I didn't get anything. All of that talking and nothing. I asked for that mirror, but they don't have it in stock, so I'll have to order it online. So we're back here at the original store we were at. I am just buggered. We've been to 3 stores and I'm already tired. I just really need a tall boy, but I just can't justify spending $1,100 for that. My mum's one was $320 and it was so much bigger and taller. So I'm just chilling here in the car. I called Aussie because he's around here. The place that we're at is called Fishwick. It's like where all of the wholesale stores are, furniture stores, and but Aussie's at the other place going to pick up my mum's tall boy, which is just down the road from here. I haven't seen him yet, but let's call him actually because, you know, I kind of miss him. Let's video call him.
I'm Suzuki. Leave a message. I'll call you back. Thank you. Huh?
Hey, where are you?
Here at the...
You know, you have to show them the receipt.
What was she?
I sent you on WhatsApp. Yeah, tall boy.
Yeah.
But no, he said he wants you to show the receipt.
No, he said come straight to the back.
Oh, so you don't have to show the receipt.
The receipt is in the toilet.
I thought it was in your butt. Shame, he did ask for the receipt. I heard him. I don't usually like my eyelashes this full because, like, look how fake that looks. I'm more of a natural gal. So, we bought Mum's
So we'll just come and sit in the car. Mum, they ended up
If
playing.
you guys follow me on Instagram, you will see the photo. We just got the chairs, not the table. But we have to wait 2 months.
Gary. Where's that oval?
Mum, how do you feel about your chairs that you just bought?
What did Mum buy them?
They're so nice. Yeah, can you, Molly, can you get them? Show Sia.
Black.
Oh, here, show the vlog people. You know, so these are the chairs that she got. Metal bottoms because Molly's big wall.
Her dining.
You know Vicky's got a big ass.
Alright, we gotta go watch Darnell's game, so BRB. Okay, so we're having a little bit of... Why is my face so bright?
Good Jerry.
We're having a bit of a break.
Do you want it or not?
A bit of a break from furniture shopping. So today, I have some pizza and some Alfredo pasta, chicken pasta. So here goes a taste test. We're here at Darnell's game and we are hungry. So we bought some food. Everyone got whatever they wanted. Oh, this is Pizza Hut. This is their chicken Alfredo pasta. Very, very cheesy. And I like it. Molly, you want to taste?
Isaiah, go away from here because we're going to get in trouble. We're not meant to know each other, remember?
Oh, look at him, he full ran.
What's going on?
Here, Molly, do you want to taste it?
Go away.
Who cares? No one's looking this way. They're all looking that way. Did that fall somewhere?
Really cheesy.
Sia, you want to taste?
Yeah, it's nice.
Alright.
So creamy and cheesy and so yummy. Salvaje.
Dip my chicken, Kingsley chicken, in the Alfredo sauce.
Oh, it's so good, eh? I didn't feel like Kingsley at all. The dry chicken.
I wanted Daniel to come and play here.
Why?
So I didn't, because we were supposed to be down the coast.
Oh.
But you know, that guy, he always wants to play. What, is this a bigger team?
Did you give him the option today
What?
to play or not?
Yeah.
Did you hear about his little
Because this is B team, and he plays in A.
Hey, Melissa, did you hear about his little mishap with his papa?
Do not tell him.
Yeah, I told him.
Do you want to come to my house?
Yeah, this guy always asks us to sleep over. Tell him,
Like,
"Smooth
can I
down."
sleep over tonight?
Oh,
Stay over here.
good. Because I've been saying to him, hey, how come you stopped coming over, eh? You love Fortnite too much.
Nah,
Last sleepover for the, and then it's
I
back to
banned
school.
him. I like having the boys at home.
Are you going to school?
The Johnny Arts.
Yeah, you're like, I'm sorry, we just shut up. You keep talking.
I know. He's like, I'm like a screwdriver. I was like, yeah, because you must be doing OT. Daniel, what's OT, Dad?
And Chris was teasing Nell because of his slang. Oh, he's like, all good.
Yeah.
And then he just goes like this, going, nah, all goods.
I know. I was like, ew.
These
I play Fortnite with them all. And they're all like, nah, laddu, over here, over here, over here.
Laddu?
Nah.
What's that?
People on me. People on me.
Yeah.
That's what Aussie always says. I'm like, eh.
Isaac that have been toweling up Daniel, like chopping him down.
Hey, his thing there.
This kid's good and he's got good balance.
Remember, we didn't go for our walk today because you couldn't make it last time.
Oh, we were so
Look, you got
sad.
yucky stuffs here.
Why? What was he doing? Where's these other two?
Fella, did you brush your teeth this morning?
This guy hates brushing his
You
teeth.
always say.
He's got the hairlines.
He's got the
I
trophy
swear.
of the smelly
I'm
one.
like,
He wakes up, he's like, Dad, split screen. I was like, silly. And I was like, silly.
Who cares? He's healthy.
And I was like, did you munch on poo in your sleep?
that's me.
And he's like, nobody eats poo, you silly.
Well, he comes and tells us, he's like, if I say to him, I'm like, you're a stinky bum. He's like, nah. My dad really is a stinky bum. Mona goes, yeah. And he's like, nah, like, what?
He walked into the toilet and he walked straight out and he's like, yep, you definitely bombed that one.
It's the Disney bunny.
Guys,
Bugs Bunny.
Yeah.
he's doing again.
He's a basketball player.
Oh.
Tall, fair.
Michael Jackson, Stephen Curry.
Yeah. Do you smell?
Dwayne Johnson, The Rock.
Oh, Sia likes to eat it. Like, I always say it's from
Bread.
French.
It's one way
French
of cooking
breakfast.
bread.
She has it with maple syrup.
Pancakes.
No.
Maple syrup!
Crepes.
With maple syrup. She
Bread,
likes
banana
from
bread,
France.
banana bread.
From
Bread,
France.
no. It's French toast.
French toast.
You didn't get that right. Shame. You take one off.
Oh, she's an actor, the Australian actor.
She's married to Urban Keith.
Nicole Kidman.
Yeah.
Keith Urban, Mom.
Keith Urban.
Oh, it was the movie with the old man's hair.
No, pass.
Okay.
What the heck, you two?
Oh, Eddie's favorite cartoon.
Yeah.
With a ball that you hit back to front in white, only with one player.
Tennis.
Yeah.
Molly, are you kidding me? The ball they hit back to front.
Lion King that works with Mustafa.
Hyena.
Yeah. Not white sugar, but
Brown sugar.
yeah. Pass. Benjamin Franklin.
Molly, I know that one.
Pass. I don't know how to say that. Golden State Warrior. Maroon 5.
Now, I should get those ones that I had to pass.
I think
Of your incompetence.
Benjamin Franklin, but I didn't know how to explain him.
He's an Australian actor. He has bald hair.
Australian actor, bald head. It is
Big stock.
Big Stock, or Simon Bill Island. Who was it?
Molly. Pass.
Who was that?
It was Bruce Willis. Pass.
The something. Oh, don't hop in the car and shush me.
I'm sure you guys are sick of seeing my face now, but we're still out and about. We came back to Fishwick after Danielle's game. And we came here to Pushies to buy Eben a scooter. We were just planning to get him a normal scooter, but ended up getting him an electrical one, which he's really happy about. So they're just sorting that out inside.
How do you know this place?
Because that's where Lessa got it from. Eben, are you so happy?
Yeah.
You like your scooter?
It's an electric one.
Yeah. And it goes all by itself. Is that cool?
So tired. Where's Aussie? Can't find him.
He's really good at it. Watch.
Go, Eben. Are you sure?
Look, there he goes around. Watch this. He's very good.
Aussie's helping my dad.
Oh my.
Hey, mas é senhor, o cama marcou inga uma cua.
Go the road, go the road.
Oh, my battery's about to die, guys. Molly, you're gonna break it. Oh my gosh.
The button here.
Yeah, Molly, that's enough.
The battery's not strong enough for your big butt. That's my daddy and my dad. You're nasty.
So put it inside the room.
No, then look.
Go.
So, guys.
I can't with this one.
Oh my gosh, guys, it's V's birthday. Do you remember when it was her sweet 16?
Oh, now she's sweet 80. She's sweet 60.
Oh my gosh, is this Tutu's car?
This tour's car.
Molly's such a...
Everybody, you're not going to challenge very soon with Vaanga and Ling Ling. Ka-ching, ka-ching, look, dang it,
Oh my gosh, Molly, stop. Cringy, cringy, cringe.
I don't want to be a part of the whole cringy.
Hey, Lily. Haven't seen you in so long.
Let's go bowling. Let's go bowling?
Yeah, let's go.
Hey.
Oh my god. Guys, so I just came to plug my other battery in. It's been a super long day. I'm kind of tired. Been driving all day and came home to plug my battery in for the other camera. And now I'm going to the shops or to the takeaway to buy Aussie some food because he's helping my dad. He's been helping him. He went to work and then went straight to my dad to help him with that wood. So he hasn't eaten all day, my poor baby. So I'm gonna go get him some food and my sisters are waiting in the car. But I'm not sure how much longer this battery is gonna last. So we'll just see how we go. Hey, big sloth. Oh, guys, we are finally home, my darling boy.
Oh, what's up, guys?
He's been working all day.
Working. Yeah, just working today, and after that, go straight to help dad stuff.
And Aussie's about to go have a shower. I was meant to go to my friend's birthday party, but I just found out that it was my cousin's birthday. So Molly and I are going to do something with them, laser tag probably. So before we start that vlog, I'm probably gonna end this one. Aussie's gonna quickly pick comment of the day.
I'm so tired today, guys, you know. So hope you guys enjoy this vlog. Never seen me anywhere, guys, because it's busy at work every time, you know. I'm gonna pick the comment of the day. The comment of the day. Shoop. Ata Mikaeli. When you enjoy what you're eating, you just don't want to talk, but to finish off whatever is prepared that looks yummy. Thank you so much. Yeah, it's true. When you enjoy the food, you not want to talk anymore. You just yeah, but yeah, hope you have a wonderful...
Wait, I gotta pick comment of the day.
Oh.
Okay, I'm gonna pick randomly. Irena Talita. The seafood looks so delicious. Great video. You're fabulous, Victoria. I love your family and your honest and genuine nature. Yeah, thank you so much. That was comment of the day. If you want comment of the day next time, then be sure to comment down on this video and you may be selected. So we're gonna end off this vlog. If you enjoyed coming along with me, it was pretty much a day out with me, with my sisters and my mum. minus one sister, Chrissy. That was pretty much today's vlog. So be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe. You know the drill, guys. It's gonna be a day in for Aussie because I'm going out to have a girls' night, aren't I, babe? And Aussie's gonna stay home and watch his rugby. But say goodbye, Oz.
See you guys. Love you guys and enjoy our vlog. We love you so much.